Just recently, Elon Musk took to X to double down on a key point. The Tesla factory, especially the upcoming Cybercab line, is where autonomy and Optimus really come into play. It feels like a solid confirmation that the link between the Optimus robot and the Cybercab isn't just alive, it's growing stronger. In fact, you could say they're a team. One moves on 2 legs, the other on 4 wheels. What's really fascinating is the role Optimus is expected to play in getting millions of these Cybercabs produced at Giga Texas. To put it simply, according to Elon, the Tesla bot will be actively involved in the manufacturing process. Internally, it'll be used in production, potentially replacing 2 to 3 human workers with a high degree of precision. But this isn't just about making factories more efficient. It's part of a much bigger vision. Integrating robots like Optimus into production isn't just a clever business move. It connects directly to Elon's long-term strategy for Tesla. And that brings us to a big question. If the Tesla bot can work on a factory line and help out at home, is it actually a steal at just $20,000? Could the Tesla bot completely revolutionize how gigafactories operate? Let's take a step back before diving into how Optimus will be used on the Cybercab line. The truth is, we're living through a massive transformation, and AI is driving it faster than anyone imagined. Even Tesla, known primarily for electric vehicles, is evolving. Bit by bit, it's turning into a full-blown tech company with artificial intelligence at the core. From self-driving cars powered by Tesla's full self-driving (FSD) system, to the humanoid Tesla bot Optimus, and even Dojo, the company's own supercomputer built specifically for AI training, it's clear that Elon wants AI to be at the heart of everything Tesla does. And that raises a deeper question. As machines start to understand us better, are we still in control of our future? To lead in this space, Tesla has to be the best at real-world AI. And right now, they are. The truth is, in order to make AI truly powerful and useful in the real world, Tesla created the Optimus robot. Think of it like this. A. I can already tell you how to fix a broken pipe in your home. But with a robot like Optimus, it could actually go fix it for you. Right now, AI can tell you what to do, like how to fix a broken pipe, but you still have to get up and do it yourself. Now imagine that same AI is inside a robot that can move, think, and use its hands. Instead of just giving you instructions, it could actually go and fix the pipe for you. That's the key difference between traditional AI and a humanoid robot. At this moment, there's a global race to develop humanoid robots, from China to North America. But when it comes to who's leading the conversation, Tesla's Optimus is still ahead of the pack. Why? Because it's one of the few humanoid robots capturing mainstream attention, and it's backed by Tesla's reputation and the public's growing curiosity. Of course, that attention isn't all praise. Some of it comes from healthy skepticism. Elon Musk has made some pretty bold claims, and people are eager to see how a company best known for electric vehicles plans to build a functional humanoid robot. But according to Elon, Optimus isn't following the usual development path. Everything about it, from its design to the components inside, is being built in-house by Tesla. The mission? Make it as affordable and scalable as possible. Elon believes one big reason other companies are struggling to scale is the high cost of building their robots. Tesla, on the other hand, has a huge advantage. It's reusing parts and tech already developed for its EVs. That includes actuators, electric motors, batteries, and power electronics, components that are expensive and complex to create from scratch. Tesla's not starting from zero. It's leveraging years of innovation and manufacturing expertise. That's where Tesla's lead in real-world AI really comes into play. The same technology that powers its self-driving cars is being transferred into the Optimus robot. Plus, Tesla brings deep expertise in electric motors, battery systems, structural design, and most importantly, large-scale manufacturing. Elon's confident that the Tesla bot will be the smartest robot on the planet, not just because of its hardware, but because it's designed to operate as human-like as possible. At the heart of Optimus is Tesla's own real-world AI, making it capable of handling all the boring, repetitive tasks people usually avoid. With Optimus Gen 2, The robot can already perform around 1,000 useful tasks. And with the upcoming Gen 3, that number might skyrocket beyond what we can even count. It's kind of wild when you step back and think about it. Tesla, the company known worldwide for revolutionizing electric cars, is now working on something that could completely change how we live and work. According to Elon, Optimus might just be the most important product Tesla has ever built. Elon Musk believes that Optimus could end up being Tesla's biggest product ever. In fact, he suggested that this humanoid robot could one day push Tesla's total valuation to a staggering $25 trillion. That's not a small prediction, it's a bold one. Recently, Elon announced that Tesla plans to build at least 5,000 Optimus robots at its Fremont factory this year. And that's just the beginning. According to him, production will scale rapidly. We could see 5,000 units by the end of 2025, and possibly as many as 50,000 in 2026. Optimus isn't just a robot, it's shaping up to be more like a mechanical army. Elon even joked that 5,000 robots is about the same size as a Roman legion. And yeah, that's kind of a wild and slightly eerie comparison. But he's serious. Tesla could build at least 1 legion of Optimus units this year, and maybe 10 legions next year. While Optimus is currently being focused on internal use, specifically inside Tesla factories, Elon's long-term goal is much bigger. He wants Optimus in homes, helping with everyday life. That's why, in Tesla's demo videos, you'll often see the robot doing things like folding laundry, serving drinks, accepting packages, or watering plants. The vision is simple. If Optimus can reliably take care of common household chores, then eventually everyone on Earth might want one. Elon has even said he believes all 8 billion people on the planet will want their own Optimus buddy, and that could translate into massive profits for Tesla. Now imagine your everyday to-do list: cleaning, cooking, doing the dishes, taking care of your kids or elderly parents. All of that handled by a $20,000 robot. Optimus is powered by Tesla's high-performance 4680 battery, which gives it around 8 to 10 hours of runtime, though that can vary depending on how physically demanding the task is. Folding clothes? No problem. Carrying boxes or working nonstop? It'll burn through power a bit faster. What's impressive is how flexible Optimus is already becoming. It's designed to adapt to all kinds of household tasks. It can sort laundry by fabric and color, prep meals, and even help with caregiving duties. With upgraded sensors, better balance, and more advanced mobility, it can now navigate uneven ground and handle complex movements with ease. That said, it's not perfect yet. Elon Musk has been open about the fact that Optimus still makes mistakes, and that's part of the learning curve. Just like any new technology, it's evolving fast, but it's not flawless. Elon Musk's point is simple. The goal isn't to build a perfect robot that never makes mistakes. It's to build one that can learn from its mistakes and improve on its own. That's the real mission behind Tesla's development of Optimus. After all, humans mess up too. It's part of how we learn and grow. Right now, Optimus is only limited by how many tasks it's been trained to do. Like people, it needs time to gather experience and data. The more exposure it gets to different tasks, the better it becomes at handling them. It's just like how we get more efficient at things we've practiced or been trained in. Dive deep into any field, and your performance improves over time. It works the same way with Optimus. If the robot is primarily trained in a factory setting, it'll excel at manufacturing tasks. If it's trained to work in a home environment, it'll become more helpful with chores and daily routines. At the core of it all, a robot's intelligence, just like ours, relies on data, experience, and time. The more of that it gets, the smarter and more capable it becomes. That's why Tesla has been dedicating this year to training Optimus, so by next year, it's ready to take on real work on the production line with skill and confidence. Now that you've got a sense of what Optimus is aiming to become, here's where it gets even more interesting. Tesla is planning to deploy Optimus directly onto the Cybercab production line. The Cybercab is shaping up to be Tesla's most minimalist vehicle ever. It's compact, simple, and designed for just 2 passengers. According to a Tesla engineer, the number of structural components in the Cybercab has been reduced to only 80. For context, the Model Y has about 200 parts. That's a 60% reduction, which massively speeds up production. Right now, the only major thing holding the Cybercab back from full-scale production is the self-driving software. Tesla is still refining and training that system. But once the software is ready, the car is essentially good to go. Everything else is already streamlined for fast, efficient manufacturing. Elon even said during an internal Tesla all-hands meeting that once it's fully up and running, the company could produce a Cybercab every 5 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. One vehicle every 5 seconds. Imagine that. Cars rolling off the line faster than you can refill your coffee. It sounds almost too ambitious to believe. But then again, ambition is kind of Tesla's thing. That every 5 seconds claim is one of those things that really makes you stop and do a double take. Just picture it. Close your eyes, count to 5, and boom, a brand new car has just rolled off the assembly line. Whether Elon Musk is being a little optimistic or not, if Tesla actually pulls this off, it could be a total game changer. Producing a car every 5 seconds would make manufacturing in the US even cheaper than in China, and that's saying a lot. It would also mean that Tesla, at least in terms of speed and efficiency, has no real competition. As far as we know, no car maker on the planet has ever built a car in less than 30 seconds, let alone 5. Just for comparison, the Model Y being produced at Giga Shanghai is already one of the most efficient production processes in the world. That factory pumps out a new Model Y every 35 seconds using 2 production lines, putting out around 26,000 vehicles a week. Over a 140-hour work week and a 40-week production year, that adds up to roughly 1 million cars from just one facility. Still not convinced? Go check out the conversation between Sandy Munro and Tesla's VP of Engineering, Lars Moravy. It's all in there. The numbers speak for themselves. Now, imagine the same kind of system applied to the Cybercab. 2 production lines, 1 car every 5 seconds. That's around 178,000 Cybercabs per week. Multiply that over 40 weeks, and you're looking at over 7 million vehicles per year. That scale is practically unheard of. But what does building a car every 5 seconds actually require? For one, it means the casting process, the part where molten metal is poured into molds to form the vehicle's frame, has to be insanely fast. And not just fast, like instant. Tesla would need a casting machine that's not only massive, but unbelievably efficient. Elon himself admitted as much, saying, "We've got to jam the liquid metal in, cool it down really fast, really fast." He even hinted that they might need to develop even bigger casting machines than they're using now. We're talking machines with 50,000 tons of pressure. This kind of speed and scale is possible because Tesla isn't modeling the Cybercab production line on traditional auto factories. Instead, they're taking inspiration from high-speed consumer electronics production lines, like the kind used to assemble smartphones or laptops. Enter Tesla's new unboxed production method. This innovative approach breaks the vehicle down into separate modules: front, rear, sides, floor, and the battery pack. These parts are built and assembled simultaneously in different areas of the factory. Once they're ready, they're brought together and snapped into place, creating the final car in a fraction of the time it would take on a traditional line. According to Elon, this new process will be so fast and so optimized that people literally won't be able to stand near the line while it's running. In a recent clip from Tesla's internal all-hands livestream, Elon Musk hinted at something that sounds straight out of science fiction. A 50,000-ton die casting machine capable of producing 5 cars at once, almost like mass-producing toys. And that's just one part of Tesla's bigger vision. Musk has repeatedly talked about deploying the Optimus robot on the Cybercab production line to dramatically reduce labor costs. The reality is, many current human-held positions could eventually be replaced by robots like Optimus, and yes, that likely means layoffs. It's something we have to acknowledge. But Tesla isn't alone in this direction. Chinese EV maker NEO has already taken major steps by integrating humanoid robots into one of their factories. These robots are already performing a wide range of tasks, moving materials, assembling small parts, tightening bolts, replacing worn-out components, inspecting product quality, spotting paint flaws, and even detecting missing pieces. And with Tesla's advanced sensor systems, Optimus could eventually perform these same jobs with even more precision than a human. So when Elon claimed Tesla could produce a Cybercab every 5 seconds, someone in the audience asked the obvious question: are we going to be replaced by robots? Elon's answer: oh no, you'll be promoted to manager. Your job will be to manage a team of 20, 30, maybe even 50 robots. It might sound like a lighthearted comment, but the message was clear. Tesla will be shifting toward a heavily automated workforce, and only those who can adapt, those who can manage or work with automation, will stay on board. Not because it's a choice, but because it's necessary to stay competitive. Chinese manufacturers are already doing it, and Tesla can't afford to fall behind. On the technical side, Tesla VP Lars Moravy revealed that the Cybercab will run on a 50 kilowatt-hour battery and still manage a range of around 300 miles. If Tesla can hit that range using LFP lithium iron phosphate batteries, the battery pack would cost just $2,000 to $2,500. Since the battery typically accounts for about 20% of a vehicle's total cost, that puts the full cost of producing a Cybercab at around $10,000 to $12,500. Tesla has already discussed the idea of producing 2 million Cybercabs per production line by 2026. And if they can drive costs down like this, it'll not only skyrocket demand, it'll send Tesla's profits soaring. Which is likely why Musk has so much confidence in Optimus and full self-driving tech becoming Tesla's most valuable products in the long run. As Elon put it himself, in the future, with Optimus and self-driving, Tesla will probably be the most valuable company in the world. And Tesla's not slowing down. The company has ramped up hiring for Optimus, recently posting over 80 job openings across departments, from design and software to hardware and manufacturing. It's clear Tesla is putting serious resources behind making Optimus a reality at scale. This push signals a major turning point. Optimus, Tesla's intelligent humanoid robot, could revolutionize how the company and the world thinks about automation. On the positive side, Optimus could help automate almost the entire manufacturing process. That means lower labor costs, faster production, and more consistent quality, potentially making Tesla vehicles far more affordable and accessible to people all over the world. But on the flip side, we can't ignore the consequences. As Optimus becomes capable of replacing people in repetitive or physical roles, not just in factories, but in areas like delivery, elder care, hospitality, and even security, the risk of large-scale job loss becomes very real. Sure, the rise of robots like Optimus will create new types of jobs: robotics engineers, maintenance technicians, systems operators, but not everyone will be able to transition or retrain fast enough to keep up with that change. So while a future of cheaper electric vehicles and automated convenience is exciting, it also comes with deep social and economic disruption. What about you? What do you think of the Tesla bot? Do you see it helping humanity or replacing it?